Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked how is the composite function f of g defined? And what is its domain? So f of g, written this way, is defined as f of g of x for the variable x, or f of g of y for the variable y. It doesn't really matter. It is defined as f taking on the value of g of x. And what is its domain? It is first the domain of g. The x is plugged into g first, so for a value to be valid, it has to produce a valid output of g. And then, so it's values in the domain of g, for which g itself is in the domain of f. So x has to be in the domain of g, and g of x has to be in the domain of f. And that is the domain of any composite function f of g of x.